You. Yes, you. I'm speaking to you. Have you ever stopped to consider the weight carried by someone with no place to call home? The burden of the streets, the constant search for safety and warmth. There are people in your community searching for a safe harbour, a place to escape the judgment and the cold. And there's a place that welcomes them, just as they are, without asking for anything in return. A place you might take for granted. It doesn't matter what they've been through. Inside these walls, they're not just another face on the street. They're people with dreams, with needs, with stories to tell. They might just need a moment of warmth, a place to rest their weary body and mind. A simple respite that many of us have without thinking. Or perhaps they need to connect with the world again, to search for a job, to find a place to sleep, to let their family know they're still here. Opportunities we often access with ease. They might need a helping hand, someone who will listen without judgment, who can guide them to resources that can help them get back on their feet. A lifeline that can change everything. And maybe, just maybe, they're looking for a place to feel human again. A place where they can find a book, learn something new, and remember that they are more than their circumstances. A sense of dignity we all deserve. They are not forgotten, and you can help them be seen. Your local library. It's more than just books. It's a place where those with nowhere else to go can find refuge, resources, and respect. It's a vital part of our community. See them, support your library. You can make a difference.